Of the land. We bring you greetings from Nzema land. You know how best the Nzema people matters to you. In fact, we have been seeing you every day when we are celebrating our festival. This time, our friend Zulamna, the Council of State member, invited us to come and honor and celebrate with him the Damba festival. We decided to come from the three political districts in Nzema land. Nzema East, Elambele, and Damba. We have all the queens here. In fact, we are very happy to be with your people, especially the Sakoyana, and the Zulana, and the rest of the chiefs. We have a lot to drink, a lot to eat. In fact, your people are so loving, so hospitable. And we, Your Excellency, we decided to come with the chiefs to express our sympathy and our condolences to you. And we want to say that it is Allah who gives and Allah who takes. We are very sorry for losing our mommy, and we are here to share our condolences. And we are also saying we are still here. We are not yet gone. We want to experience more from the north, and then even come and trade with you people. We are also into agriculture.
That's from me. That's from me.
On this note, on behalf of the Queens and my own behalf, we say have our condolences, Your Excellency, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you. Thank you.